Ever struggled with kids complaining about sweaty, uncomfortable hiking clothes? Oh, I've been there, loud and clear. Last summer, what was supposed to be a fun family hike turned into a full-blown sweaty meltdown. My son was overheating, cranky, and honestly, I couldn't blame him. His shirt was soaked, heavy, and offered zero sun protection. After that trip, I knew we needed a change. While browsing online, I came across these boys' hiking shirts, and let me tell you, it was a total game changer. First thing that caught my eye, built-in UV protection. Suddenly, I wasn't stressing about sunburn or reapplying sunscreen every 20 minutes. These shirts took care of it, like little bodyguards against the sun. The breathable fabric was a lifesaver. Even during steep climbs and hot afternoons, my son stayed cool and comfortable. He actually enjoyed the hike instead of complaining at every turn. Major win! Not to mention the lightweight design made packing a breeze and helped him carry his own gear without feeling weighed down. Talk about building confidence. And the comfortable fit? It meant fewer itchy, fussy moments and more carefree adventuring. Our family outings became fun again, not a battle against the elements. If you've got little explorers who love the outdoors but hate the discomfort, these hiking shirts are a must-have. Imagine summer hikes with happy, comfy kids. No sweat, literally. Click the link in the description and grab your boys' hiking shirts now. Adventure just got way cooler.